big collab with Capitan, Anthony Malvo, Red Rose. When him say, love is coming at ya, twice the speed of lightning. Babylon is comfort you, what you gonna do? Love is coming at ya, full speed, twice the speed of lightning. Babylon is comfort you, what you gonna do? And keep it on say, yo, what you gonna do? No love coming at you. You don't know them song that you out? Big tune. See? Big tune. Big collaboration. So the singer do great things, man. Terry Lynn is a great artist. I'm 49 years old right now. I'm 10. I will heap of years that, you know. So I want to keep holding down the artist. I keep on ask. Even him himself, I saw in an interview last week. I asked, what him do? Why them keep holding his career down? Why them keep fighting him? And he's such a great artist. Why them fight on this message that him a push out there to the people them? Why them trying to stop this type of message and I shoot up the garbage them? Me? And that's why I them thing them not like, you know. That's why I always have to burn a fire every week for my thing, you know.